These are the quiz questions for Word Part 3.
I have 5 questions in total. Number 1 is, which tab should you click to access the mail merge options? Which tab should you click to access the mail merge options? So up on our ribbon, we know if we go to our mailings tab, these have all of our options for starting a mail merge. So the answer for this is going to be mailings tab. Number 2, what are the 2 primary components you need to perform a mail merge? So we need a starting document and a recipient list. So whatever your starting document is, whether it's a letter, envelopes, labels, you need to have that main document. And then remember when we had our Excel spreadsheet of all the people that we were going to be customizing that document to. That was our recipient list. Okay, so again, what are the 2 primary components you need to perform a mail merge? Starting document and a recipient list. All right, number 3 is a lengthy question, simple answer. A predefined graphic object laid out to enable you to illustrate things such as a process, hierarchy, cycle, or other relationship between items in an illustration is known as what? Again, that's a predefined graphic object laid out to enable you to illustrate things such as a process, hierarchy, cycle, or other relationship between items in an illustration is known as what? So we learned that this is a SmartArt graphic. Remember, on our Insert tab in our Illustrations command group, here we have SmartArt. So this is used to illustrate text, like we had reduce, reuse, recycle. So we had a cycle SmartArt graphic used to represent that, instead of just using a simple bulleted list. All right, that is number 3. Okay, number 4. List 2 examples of text wrapping styles. List 2 examples of text wrapping styles. Okay, just to show you this real quick, I'm going to quickly insert an online picture. I'll just do this purple flower here. Now remember, when we have an image, chart, any type of object inserted into our document, we get this button, which is our layout options. So this is our text wrapping. We have inline with text, we have square wrapping, we have tight, through, top and bottom is one option. Very important, if you're using this option, this is only one. So don't say top and bottom and think that's 2 answers. You only get half credit for that. Behind text and also in front of text. So those are all the options that you can choose from, but I only need 2. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this picture, and we'll go ahead and list our styles again. So that's inline with text, we have square, tight, through. Remember, top and bottom is one option. we have in front of text, and then we have behind text. So again, I only need 2 of these options, and that was number 4. Okay, and then our last one, how do you insert a shape into your document? How do you insert a shape into your document? Now, the step-by-step process is Insert tab, Illustrations group, and I get that arrow by hyphen, hyphen, greater than symbol. Then it's your shape drop-down command. Choose shape from gallery. And then lastly, draw shape in document. So again, Insert tab, Illustrations group, shape drop-down command, choose shape from gallery, draw shape in document. And that is number 5. Now, if you don't want to list that process out and you just want to draw a shape on your document, on your quiz, in number 5 for me, hey, I'll take it. Perfectly fine. So, Insert tab, Illustrations command group, Shapes drop down, choose a shape from your gallery, whatever shape you want to do. I don't care. I'll be able to recognize that it is a shape, believe me. So, choose shape from your gallery, draw a shape into your document. If you want to put that instead of the step-by-step process, please, by all means, go ahead and do that. All right? So let me get all this so it fits on one page here. And I'm going to quickly highlight your answers for you. Okay, and I'll just zoom out a bit so you can see everything, and you can pause the video here if you're still writing down the answers for these quiz questions and answers.